Yeah guys, so right now we just stop on the way and get like some cane. Don't know. Good old sugar cane. Watch out. Yeah man, nice little style, same way, I don't know. What is that? Yo, this man love planting, you know. Hey brother, Jaja, watch out. Some nice fresh apple, same way. Fruits for days. Yeah man. Alright guys, so we'll go back on the road now. Alright guys, so right now I'm still up on the way, and like I say, I'm a first time, so this will take me like forever for reach around there, but it's actually a good drive, so I'm just up on the way. I don't know, national the right there, so and then man have bread in watch it. You don't know. But they are stills. Take on the road. Spanish bridge, yeah, Spanish bridge it is. Alright guys, so after 24 hours of driving, we finally reach this spot, and surprising, you know, so I go.
Yeah, there man, I park up.
I jump out and so I go on. Apparently this man is very popular around here. Me hear them happy to see him. Yeah man, so I go on and know my people.
I'm ready long time.
Yo, my people who don't know now, welcome back to the channel now for you see voice. Yeah. For you see the face and hear the voice, I don't know your boy. Jamaica Wildlife Sense. Welcome back to the channel. I don't know me there with a brand new video. It's been a minute since I've posted, but don't worry yourself because I don't know. So we're up and again, up and gunning again. Big up my bro, Spearfishing Jamaica. I don't know. Today with our Spanish bridge. So let's say less. Let's get right into it. You get me?
So yeah, I'm also like when the artists do promotion.
I don't know.
I do them things. Alright.
Guru. Me, a Spanish bridge guru. Alright guys, so see the place here. It's actually very, very nice. Yeah man, really nice. Spanish bridge. What? Watch it man. I tell you, at the it's my first time here. Finally me reach. I don't know, so it's not a bad look. Place nice. Yeah man. So we are getting into action right now guys, and alright guys, so right now I'm all suited up and ready to go into the water, as it's really cold and stuff like that, but it doesn't matter still. You know, the show must go on, and I don't know much o'clock a strike already, so watch this. But I run out there right now, get some crayfish. I'm a first crayfish video ever, first time a Spanish bridge, like I'm saying in the intro, or if I haven't said it, no you know, so watch this, come on. Oh. Ah. Guys, this stone rough on my foot them. And then flip flops, yeah. Raj gone downstream for bamboo. Alright guys, so right now we just came back. This is the catch. So alright, I'll show these whenever time I get them out of the bag, but here we have some seasoning and stuff that we're going to use to do the cook up. As you know, he's a chef already, always. Yeah man, and you know we have a few people as well enjoying the Spanish bridge. Don't know, a few visitors to the island showing some love. Yeah man. So, you got it man, you got it. You know? Radam. Yeah man. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned because you know we're there try a thing. Yeah man. God. Alright guys, so this is the catch for today. As you see, like we caught a few small ones and also not so bad, but yeah man, so this is it. So we're gonna make it work with it. Alright guys, so see a little setup here, don't know. As I know, spearfish in Jamaica already, always have some things that different. So I have a little stove right there, so whole setup and everything. Yeah man, you don't know. So clean up the crayfish them. Then just keep the tail, take off the head of them and just keep the tails. So that is it, you know? Yeah man. Is it? No, we haven't. Alright guys, so see little Raj invention there, little setup, but like a gas, water up and running. Yeah man. Alright guys, so right now our crawfish is actually it's prepped, like pre-boiled for a second. So Raj is going to come and do the other part, which you guys will get a chance to see it. All the seasons are properly prepped here. You know, we have the basic onion, tomato, sweet pepper, scallion, thyme and the plantains. Yeah man, so Raj has a different plan for what he will be doing in this video, so stay tuned for that. So this is a different thing that will be mixed, you know. Yeah man, so right now we're just at it. Do a thing, you see me? Where's the God? Where's the God? There were wood. No wood and the full fire. Burn up. Yeah. No. Why? Yeah, no fun. Yeah, people, so you don't know. Raj know if you boil them everything, but you don't know if you de-shell them, you know?
I shall have to teach you how to come here.
So,
Watch out. Did you?
yo, it's alright, man. You know what you're up to. Oi! That's when we go talk, alright.
Why we are doing the youth? That's right, two little crayfish them way up. Man, you cut a finger in the youth.
And the knife is sharp, you know? And it's for ramp with. Yeah, man, my people. So we there go and do a thing same way, man, you know? Until, you know? Yeah, man.
Mama Malusa would mad. Where say you go?
Mama Maluja, mad cabra with. And there you. Alright, guys, a little night come down pan we still, but you don't know.
They are same way.
They are same way I de-shell them. Get them out of them clothes and, you know? Go and do a thing. Evening not that bad still, but you don't know. I'm a little music when there and things, so they say it there now. And you know, normal night, you know, people. I'm only wishing I could have there for space some of this, but say it best still, Jano. Chef Raj at it again.
Yeah, nice, yeah, too.
Alive.
That's your pot alive.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my people, so see ending result of what I go on there, you know, so Roger do him thing, you know, me I talk about colourful. Yeah, man, so you have to be careful, you know, because them thing are full up your belly. Yeah, man.
What is it? You want a small one?
Yes, sir. Something slight, something slight. Put more something there in mine. No, man, no. More shrimp meat. Yes, sir. Yes. That is it. You understand me? Boy, my people, may I tell you still this look. It have the look there. You understand me? Something slight. Whoa. Ease yourself, Raj. Ease yourself. Boy, I mean, what's that say you learn? Everything when me teach you in a life, eh, man?
Go on, go. Body top, man. Can you show?
Jaja.
Oh, my phone jump over bridge, you know? You bad? You taste it?
Daddy? I'm going to taste it, but you're joking?
Look.
Go!
Huh? All gone. Yeah, you know what's that? It's nice.
I eat the root there with something, with other things in it. Well.
This butter.
Woo!
Alright, be mine now. Only line. That tastes good. Alright, peeps. What's all going on?
Come in. Yeah, my people, may I tell you, say, you see that thing where spearfishing make? May I tell you no. Me, surprised, because I never had expect it to be so nice. Until right now, may I tell you, say, it's solid way. I second this, and may I tell you, delicious, man. Delicious. So right now we are going to pack up. Now what I be in a cold water. Head out back on the road now because we are going all the way back to Portland. I don't know, and then me talk to you a little bit again, and you see me I say? So catch you soon, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, my people who don't know, so it come down to an end. You see me I say? And right now, I only can say thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us for the longest. You don't know. And you know, the growth is still there, but I need to be more consistent, which you guys will get a lot of chance to see that. See, also I want to say peace out, God bless, and one love, and until the next video, see ya. You see me? Yeah man, walk good.